Anthropic releases Claude 3 AI model, and based on the benchmark reports, it is one of the most powerful AI models available in the market right now. Instagram releases multiple new features inside the direct messaging functionality. Threads team announced that they have started testing APIs for third-party tools, which means tools like Hootsuite will soon have Threads posting option. More details about these top 3 and the other news items of the week coming up in this 231st weekly episode of the Connected Church News with me, Nachi Lazarus. This is the show that brings you the top 5 digital, social, emerging tech and AI news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Anthropic, which is one of the top players in the AI space based out of San Francisco, announced last week that they are launching the Claude 3 model, the third version of Claude AI. This comes in 3 variations: Claude 3 Haiku, Claude 3 Sonnet, and Claude 3 Opus. Opus being the most expensive and the most capable of the models, and Haiku being the least. The company has announced that they are giving flexibility for anyone to choose between these 3 models based on the cost and the type of task. The key thing to note here is their high-end model Opus has outperformed both ChatGPT 4 and Gemini when it comes to some of the top benchmarks. The announcement also has some interesting language choice that I wanted to bring to your notice. It says it exhibits near human levels of comprehension and fluency on complex tasks, leading the frontier of general intelligence. Instagram has announced multiple new features inside the DM, direct messaging functionality of the app. The first and the biggest feature in that list is the ability for you to edit a message, a direct message that you sent, within 15 minutes of sending it. This could be very handy in multiple ministry circumstances, and I know that many of you use Instagram for engaging with your audience, so something to make note of. The other features include the ability for you to pin 3 chats right at the top of inbox, just in case you're having conversations with some important people in your ministry, then you might want to pin it right at the top. You can also switch on read receipt feature for a specific chat or for all chats. Now you can also save your favorite stickers, and that will come right at the top of the tray next time you want to pick a sticker. TikTok made a couple of big announcements at the recent US Creator Summit, and this involved monetization related announcement and also announcement about resources made available for creators. The first announcement was about the expansion of subscriptions program. The subscription was connected to live stream, so it was called live subscription. Now that is being expanded to non-live creators as well. It is right now in only invite mode. The second announcement is about the renaming of their rewards program. What used to be called as creativity program is now renamed as Creator Rewards Program, a much more straightforward name. The announcement also interestingly said that long form videos, just like YouTube, is getting higher engagement on the platform, and it's being embraced by more creators, which is good news from a faith-based and a church sermon perspective. Finally, the announcement included details about the resources they are bringing for creators, and it will all be coming under the umbrella of Creator Center. This week's news episode is brought to you by Connected Church Academy. Connected Church Academy is an education hub for the faith-based community to learn more about digital, social media, AI, Web3, how to use all these emerging tech for media ministry. So if you are a media team member or a leader of a nonprofit church or ministry, then this might be a resource you want to check out. You can visit cca.live and check out all the details. The webpage is cca.live. You will also find the link in the description of wherever you're listening to me. Threads team made an important announcement that they have started testing third-party API with a few players like Hootsuite and Sprout Social and a few others. Now this is good news because they have been working on this for a while, and the industry was kind of waiting for this announcement from Threads saying that they will be able to use this within third-party tools to schedule posts, to track performance and so on, which has not been possible till now. So very soon you will be able to use Threads inside your favorite social media management app. The announcement says that API currently enables users to authenticate, publish threads, and fetch fetch the content they posted. Looks like very soon they will be adding comment moderation and also analytics, which will be great. Meta released an interesting blog post last week from their Quest team about the top 3 predictions for 2024 and beyond. As faith-based organizations, it's important for us to pay attention when a company like Meta makes prediction because they have a huge amount of data to back what they're saying. It's not like a random guesswork from somebody who thinks this is what is going to happen. First is obviously that metaverse will grow, which is part of what Meta is all about, and that's what they're betting on. They also substantiate the claim by saying that their metaverse division crossed $1 billion in revenue recently. The second prediction is about on-device LLM, that is AI running on a device like a computer or a mobile phone. There will soon be a hybrid model where some of the AI runs on the cloud and some runs on the device. And the example they give is Meta's Ray-Ban glass, which does that. The third trend they talk about is mobile messaging, specifically business messaging on apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, where AI empowers the conversation. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? If not, I'm going to ask you to consider doing that, because why not? This is important for you to stay on top of all the weekly news that we release here every week, and also the other content that we are releasing here for the faith-based community.